presenting a soft, layered, above the shoulder, bob style cut. This style was sent to me directly from Noriko. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So it's time to meet Kade. Let's get into it. Kade is a medium length above the shoulder bob style. It has a lot of shaggy elements to it. You'll see some subtle flips and bend and movement. I love it because it has a 5 to 7 inch sweeping fringe. So it stays out of the eyes as you sweep it back around the face. It frames the face beautifully too. And this movement, it's regular synthetic. It is not heat friendly. It's about 12 to 13 inches all the way around. It weighs about 3.5 ounces. It feels really lightweight on the head. Features an extended lace front and left monofilament side part. Let's get up close on this lace front. Now you may notice it lays a little wonky right there on the top. That is because it has been laying in the box for quite a while. I have had these wigs for about a week as I was out of town. And so this is right out of the box. Now to fix cold set and box hair, it's very easy. I just need to really spray it down with water, reform it, and allow it to dry. And it should work itself out, but you can definitely see a little bit of a bend there. Let's look at the lace front. Temple to temple, extended lace front on both sides. Beautifully done. A very nice natural look there. It's a fine knotting process. The lace actually feels really nice and soft against the skin. It's not too shiny. It blends very well. And then you have that left side part there that runs all the way back to the crown. So this is how it came right out of the box. It divided along that monofilament, but I love how these front pieces just feather right back into this style. What you're not going to get here is the ability to get a lot of lift. These fibers have a forward movement to them, more of a stubborn type forward movement. That means that front piece is going to come over the forehead and sweep off to the side. I am unable to get the typical little bit of contour and lift there at the front, as I normally like to wear my styles, but it looks just gorgeous the way it is right over the eyebrow. So if you like more of a smoother, lower profile look on the top, the movement is so graceful. And that keeps with this sweeping movement of the sides. When you shake your head, it has a nice fine look and density. So let's talk about this. This is a nice fine fiber. It is a baby fine fiber. It feels very soft and silky. It moves in a fluttery, wispy way. This density is a little on the light side, so average to light density, which is very nice. It gives it that natural look. And it does have some permatease. You're going to find some permatease all around, but it's not the soft, pillowy kind. Now, certainly we can see some variance from piece to piece, but this is not overdone with permatease. Just enough to cover wefting and add a little bit of lift to the necessary parts of this style. So let's talk about this champagne rooted, one of my favorite blondes of all time by Noriko. It's a rooted light blonde. And to me, it looks more neutral to cool in tone. And that's because you're going to see a 50-50 blend of very pale baby gold blonde. And then that's going to be tempered and neutralized with platinum, a cool platinum. And that platinum does take over, and it looks really dimensional, but on the cool side. And then that on a medium brown root. Now, sometimes that root stands in great contrast to the main body of the color. However, on this one, I feel like that root blending is a lot better than on previous applications of champagne rooted. You can see they bring the highlight, mix it in right there with the base color. And because this length is just perfect at that 12 to 13 inches, you're going to have a lot of sister style options. Inside, look at the cap for Noriko's KADE. Beautiful lace front left mono part assembly here. Stretches halfway back through the ear tab, beautifully deep. And then that moves seamlessly into a left monofilament lace part there. Look at all of that parting space ability. Closed ear tab, nice coverage there at the ear tab. An extended nape with pull strap type adjusters, lots of wefting. There is some stretch on this style. You will find that it's more of an average fit compared to Legacy Noriko. I'd say that it would be appropriate for 21¼ through 22½ inch circumferences. This style works nicely with glasses. You notice that even when I bent down, the feathery sides were not getting into the face. I really love that. Plus the fact that glasses work well, this might be an everyday great style for you. But let's just move it around. You'll get to know the density, you'll get to know the movement of the style and be inspired to style your wigs. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet.